Hello everyone, welcome back to Traffic Table channel. Today I'm gonna show you 10 hot trends on Redbubble. So, are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, dogs are whole life. I know it's 1400 results and it's a little bit high competition, but if you look at dog niche is very popular on Redbubble and one of the profitable niche. And I think for the dog niche, when you see 1400 results, it's quite well, it's competitive, but I think you still have the chance to have some designs. You can also go here for these keywords and take these and as a tags, or find inside maybe these tags have no competition at all. So here I give you some ideas about the dogs. I give you uh yeah, some trends which maybe you can compete and have some sales. Okay, so second, remember why you started. So you know that I like the text which have like a message behind, and here's a motivate, like there's a motivation kind of message. So remember why you start. So it's good as a sticker. You can also use it as a masks, and I don't see here at all any t-shirts. This is the first t-shirt I see. So I think people here are competing on the sticker section, because I know that this kind of motivational quotes is good as a sticker and as well as a masks. So here I didn't see any masks, and masks still profitable, guys, in 2021. So yeah, there are a lot of cities, a lot of countries have lockdown again, and they need again masks and masks. So don't forget masks, guys. Okay, cool. Let's go for the third one. 850 results only. Things I do in my spare time plant. So you know, it's spring right now, the weather is fine, everyone is interesting about plant and gardening and this kind of stuff, so why not only 850 results? So you also can have a varieties from this design. So things I do in my spare time, plant, things like gardening, eating, you know, doing nothing. You can just change this word and be creative, guys, be unique, and try to make something like you make your own trend. Maybe it will be your like unique one. You could have sales. You don't know. Cool. The next one. Nobody know my only weakness. And again, this is like a message behind the text, and it's good also as a text design. I recommend you, maybe you can have one color or multicolor, because nowadays the multicolor design is starting to be more popular. So instead of doing something like that, maybe you can have like a multicolor, like 3 or 4 colors. Before it wasn't that popular, but now, as you can see, they're starting to have more and more colors, and people starting to buying something like that. And I didn't see here any graphics, like not so much graphics. Maybe you can add some graphics also, something related to weakness, something related to mind, to the thought, I don't know, but you can do something unique with graphics as well, because when you add graphics, the text is much more powerful, the design will be much more powerful and profitable as well. Cool. Next one, you mess with the meow meow, you get the pew pew. Okay, that's really cool. Again, cat niche is very popular, and when you have like a funny design or a funny trend about cats, and it's only 636 results, you know that's a very good design to go and compete with. And as you can see, only 600 results is nothing. You can compete. You can see here some ideas. You can have your own ideas. There are a lot of plenty of designs for cats. You can choose one of them and try to have your own unique idea. Cool. Next one, grandma knows everything. Again, like a niche which is very funny. You can also change grandma to be grandpa, as you can see here. So you can have grandma, grandpa, papa. You can have mama know everything, mother, mommy, you know, sister, everything here you can just put. But of course it's for grandma and grandpa, more popular. But I think if you did it for papa or mama, also gonna be also good. So you can have here a variety, so you can have only one design and start to make like varieties of this design and have more and more ideas. Okay, and you can have nana, you know, like whatever. Yeah, it's also good to go and good to see here your competition. And it's only 564 results. You can do well in this niche or in this trend. Okay, next one. The way to get started is to quit talking and being doing. Again, I like the message that have motivation behind that. So here we go, another text message, another motivation. And you know, people right now is a little bit, you know, they are like in a bad mood normally in the world and around what happened around us. So people need some motivation, need to People need some inspiration. So I think this kind of text will gonna be like really powerful designs, and a lot of people will gonna have like these stickers. Maybe it's good, or something like masks, or also t-shirts, as you can see, or maybe also on notebooks. If you didn't see my KDB videos, you can also have here KDB books, or I mean, not for Amazon, but also for Redbubble. They sell notebooks, so you can have the same design you use in KDB. Also, you can have it here on Redbubble, and that's really good. Okay, next one. I like cars more than people. I also like cars too, so I decided to have this niche because I'm interested in cars. So yeah, car niche is also very popular, and when you see 391 results, it's not there's no competition at all. And cars is like, I think a lot of people like cars. You can have here I like car more than people, and you can have here different type of cars. Like maybe you can put your favorite cars, maybe you can search what is the most favorite cars in United States and put some of them here. So you, you have to think always about how to make a variety from your design. Okay, last but not least, don't look for love, look for tacos. And the final one is, don't look for love, look for coffee. And here we go, it's an example of having variety of your design. So here the best thing is to have text with graphic design and change, like, don't look for love, look for tacos. And as you can see, they changed the word and they have another thing. So what I see now is that you can have a lot of variety. Don't look for love, look for whatever, look for cats, look for dogs, look for pizza, look tacos, coffee, anything which is so popular right now. Anything you can have a cross niche. Always, guys, think about cross niching on the funny t-shirts, because that's what sells right now. Think about something trending right now and something evergreen, and mix them together. Make your own cross niche, make your own unique design, and be sure that you're gonna have a lot of profitable design. Thank you so much. I hope you like these trends right now, guys, and I hope you can subscribe to my channel. I have KDB videos, I have print on demand videos. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. And again, wish you a nice and profitable day. Thank you so much, and goodbye.